Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot browse Google Play Store or any other browser, in this case Google Chrome. So let's start with Google Play Store. If we try to download any app, there'll be error. The same as with Google Chrome. If we try to load any website, there's an error with your clock is behind. So to fix this, let's open our settings. Next is to scroll all the way down and find additional settings. Then navigate for date and time and set time automatically. Now if we go back to Google Play Store, the games should be available and apps also. So let's try installing it. The same goes with Google Chrome. We can try to reload any page or open any website, and it also works flawless. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.